You guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? Yeah, you can hear me now. Holy crap. Can you guys hear me now? Holy crap, you can hear me now. Holy cow, you can hear me. Yeah? Cool, cool. All right, well, oil on the 15-minute, you said? Oh, that just happened just now? Yeah, oil on the 15-minute. We're a little bit late. I think I'll pass up on that one for now, but that would have worked really well so far, right? We're a little bit late on that one. Last night was a decent stream, right? We had a couple of losses last night, but we had more wins than losses. We got to do our normal deal here. I think this was the missing link last night. I think this was the missing link last night.
To a dude named Corn Pop, who wasn't that cool. Started making trouble at the swimming pool, so I took a chain, wrapped it around my legs.
I think this was the missing link last night, to be honest with you.
Black kids would touch him. Come on, man. Then I got on a train and moved to D.C. Barack Obama gave a job to me. I shuffled around and sucked fingertips. Made a big speech, kissed a boy on the lips. What are you looking at? I wrote the damn bill. I hold the ladies tight and sniff all their hairs. First person American to fall up the stairs. Ran for president. I was a winner. Winner was me. Now I sit at my desk as a president. Well, I was born and raised in Scranton, PA. Lifeguard by the pools where I spent my days. Till a dude named Corn Pop, who wasn't that cool, started making trouble at the swimming pool. So I took a chain, wrapped it around my legs. They're hairier than my other legs. Not my.
I think this is the.
Come on, man.
I think this was the missing link last night, to be honest with you.
Barack Obama gave a job to me. I shuffled around and sucked fingertips.
I think this was the missing link.
Kissed the boy on the lips.
Slide it to the right, yeah, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I can. I have no idea.
Sniff all their hairs. First person American to fall up the stairs. Ran for president. I was a winner. Winner was me. Now I sit at my desk as a president. Not you know the thing.
Okay, I think that's our good luck charm. I really do think that that's probably our good luck charm. We took a loss in the signal group this morning. If you guys can see on the 1 hour on the US 30, we took a loss this morning. Okay, again, losses happen. We took a loss right there. We took a sell on the US 30 right there in the signal group, and we lost. Losses, like I said, are part of the game. They happen. I hate when they happen, but they do happen. And so we took a loss. But we might get a buy opportunity here. The 1 hour is closing in 12 minutes, so we'll see what happens. But we did take a loss on the US 30 this morning. It sucks, but it's part of the game, right? So we don't have anything we can do for a few minutes, so we'll go over there to the other chat room and we'll bring everybody over here because this is a way better stream than that shitty stream going on right now.
This trip
so
to
we'll
get
go over
gas
here.
for a penny is going to get banned.
We'll go over here and get all these people over here. Some of you guys are here. We want all the motherfuckers. We want all the motherfuckers. We want all the motherfuckers. We want to take every single one of these idiots. We want every single one of those idiots in the stream. So yeah, hopefully everyone had a good day. Multiple opportunities are setting up. It looks like on the 1 hour time frame. So we're gonna. Oh, that's the 15-minute on oil. 15-minute oil gave you a nice sell trade, and now it looks like on the 1 hour is it? Yeah, on the 1 hour it might give you a nice buy trade as well. So We might have multiple opportunities here, and we'll take the trades, even though we lost on a US 30 trade this morning. I don't care about that. I care about the numbers, right? And the numbers dictate that we take the trades. Yeah, so that's what we'll do. What's going on, man? Oathkeeper, what's up, brother? So we just got to wait a few minutes, right? Got to wait a few minutes so we have fun. Those of you that are new to the stream, our good luck charm. So we gotta go back to our go-to. All right, we got to go back to the go-to.
I was born and raised in Scranton, PA. Lifeguard by the pool's where I spent my days. Till a dude named Corn Pop, who wasn't that cool, started making trouble at the swimming pool. So I took a chain, wrapped it around my legs. They're hairier than my other legs. Not my... Black kids would touch them. Come on, man. Then I got on a train and moved to D.C. Barack Obama gave a job to me. I shuffled around and sucked fingertips. Made a big speech, kissed a boy on the lips. What are you looking at? I wrote the damn bill. I hold the ladies tight and sniff all their hairs. First person American to fall up the stairs. Ran for president. I was a winner. Winner was me. Now I sit at my desk as a president. Not
Okay, that's our good luck. That's our good luck charm. So anyone that needs a good luck charm, that is our good luck charm. In this stream, we play that, and we seem to do really well. So yeah, the oil one looks pretty good, and possibly gold. We got to wait a few minutes. So while we wait, what's up, Deluxe Slayer of Dow Jones? How are you? So we just have some fun. We make fun of people. We make fun of that YouTube stream. We'll play this one more time just because it is our good luck stream. It is our good luck charm to play the Joe Biden thing.
In Scranton, PA. Lifeguard by the pool's where I spent my days. Till a dude named
And Corn Pop wasn't that cool. Started making trouble at the swimming pool.
So I took
a chance around my leg. No, my other hairier than my other legs.
Not my black kids would touch it.
Not much. Come on, man.
Then I got on a train
And moved to D.C. Barack Obama gave a job to me. Went around, joking for tips. Speech, kissed a boy on the lips. What's that? I wrote the damn bill. Really tight. Sniffed all the hair. First American to fall up the stairs. That's my favorite line right there.
I was a winner. Winner was me. Now I sit at my desk as a president.
These episodes are pretty funny.
Get your face
Let's
out of
see.
here.
Let's see. These ones are pretty. They're pretty dang funny.
New rule: comedians can't make fun of Joe Biden because it's impossible.
These episodes are actually pretty funny.
Hey, Beneford, get in here.
You hollered, holy shit.
Where are my clothes?
Sir, I just washed your clothes. I can't physically keep them on your body.
We've got a ghost in the White House. I better declare a national emergency.
How about I just find some of the clothes?
You're a good friend, Beneford. Come here, I need to tell you something.
I'm good here, sir.
Sit on my lap.
I'd rather not.
Sit on my lap. There's my little buddy. All is well. You're safe now.
I am very uncomfortable. And violates several labor laws.
Whoa, easy. Easy. Close can't get you now.
Frankly, I'm more concerned about your schmeckle, sir.
I want to tell you something, but you got to promise to keep it a secret.
I do not promise.
You drive a hard bargain, okay? I'll tell you.
Can you please put some underpants on first, sir?
There's no time.
There's no time.
Crisis. Thousands of Mexi melts so overwhelming our southern some as young as $1.99. The BLT movement is still in the streets. Protesting the murder of Pink Floyd.
Pink
Now
Floyd
has inserted his erection into the White House.
That made absolutely no sense whatsoever.
Oh my gosh.
His Uncle Joe came up with a new slogan that will unite us all and bring us back from the brink.
With great hesitation, what is it, sir?
Make America great again, man.
You can't possibly be serious.
That's our favorite thing to do while we wait for trades to happen. That's our favorite thing to do. We do that when we wait for trades to happen. We can't take a trade unless we have a candle close. So while we do that, we mock people mercilessly. We have fun and we mock more people mercilessly. So, and that we kind of missed that last night because I found my microphone this morning. And we kind of missed that, I think, in the morning last night during Asian's London session, because my kids had it in their room and they were asleep. But yeah, so hopefully this morning we still did good last night. We did 3 out of 5, but hopefully this morning we'll do a little bit better with knowing that we have our go-to video ready to rock and roll. And we got a 1-hour candle close here in a few minutes. So yeah, I believe it is. And gosh dang it, we had a loss on it this morning. That kind of pisses me off. But I think we're going to. I see gold on the intraday the same way I've seen gold on the intraday for months. Buy every dip. That's how I see gold. I see gold the same way I've seen gold from the very beginning. And that is buy dips on gold every time it dips. And you just wait for the candle close. You wait for that pattern to set up and you buy every time you see that pattern and you make money. That's what I've seen. It hasn't changed. The trend hasn't changed on gold. Nothing's changed on gold. So let's just go look at gold. I do this all the time. The 4-hour time frame, still an uptrend. Daily chart, still an uptrend. The weekly chart, still an uptrend. The monthly chart, still an uptrend on gold. So gold analysis hasn't changed, and until that time frame, it's not going to change. You buy every dip on gold, and you hold on for dear life. No, I'm kidding. You don't hold on for dear life. You just buy dips on gold. And that doesn't change. That hasn't changed and will never change until the higher time frame charts start to become a downtrend, and they are not becoming a downtrend right now. So until those higher time frame charts change the trend, it's not going to be any different. So if we take this trade on oil, remember we have to have our stop losses below the low of the tail. The stop loss below. See, this is the problem with oil right now. The stop loss below the tail is at 104. You would have to have like a 350 point stop loss on oil. So you're going to have to lessen your lot size if you take that. Why am I trading at this time? Because I want to. And this is the time I usually actually trade on my own. I don't usually stream at this time of day. But this is the go-to time for me. This is... Do I trade for my laundry room? Why the hell does it matter if I trade for my laundry room? Does it matter where you trade from? If you trade from your laundry room, does that make you a worse trader? If you trade from your front room or if you trade from your living room, does that make you a better trader? Why the hell does it matter where you trade from? Someone answer that question for me. Why the hell does it matter? It is so funny. Oh, that's fine. You can find it funny as much as you want. No one gives a fuck. Does it matter where you trade from? Okay, so oil had the pattern. We're going to take the trade on oil. I am lessening my lot size on oil by dramatically, just because I'm going to have a really tight, really high stop loss. So I'm going to go to 103.50 on the stop loss on oil, which is a lot, right? It's a lot. I'm going to go to 103.50 because I have to have that stop loss below the low of that tail. So I lessened my lot size on that dramatically. And we're just going to test it, 103.50. So I'm doing 1/10 of a normal lot size on this one because that stop loss is extremely deep, and we'll see how it goes. But if you take that trade, reduce your lot size by, I just reduced it by 1/10. Yeah, you sold Facebook, nice. I know that's always been a knock against me that I trade from my laundry room. Not saying that Claudio is. But who the fuck cares where you trade from? Like if I'm in my laundry room and then I go to my front room, does that make me a better trader? No, it doesn't make me a better trader. You're either a good trader or you're not a good trader. It doesn't matter where the fuck you trade from, right? It does not matter where the fuck you trade from. You're either a good trader or you're not a good trader. You're either a shitty trader or you're a good trader, and it doesn't make one fucking difference where you trade from. Okay, those are the people who do that are just stupid fucks who couldn't hit water if they fell off a boat. They're dumbass people. I'm not saying anyone here. I'm just saying if people care where you trade from, then they're dumb fucks. And nobody should pay attention to them. All right? So don't listen to people that are dumb fucks. No one fucking cares where you trade from. No one fucking cares what your account size is. No one cares about anything. As long as you're consistently making money, that's all that matters. And I consistently make money. So I don't give a fuck what people think. I really don't. But you'll not, the one thing you'll see all those people make that would make fun of me for trading from my laundry room. The real kicker is they're all pussies, because you'll never see them show a live trade in a live account while they're streaming. You'll never see them take a live trade in a live terminal while they're streaming because they're pussies. Okay, all of those people that stream that would make fun of me, they never show live accounts with live trades because they're pussies. They hide behind TradingView, and they're all fucking pussies. And you can tell them I said that. I don't give two fucks. They can go fuck themselves. If you can't show live trades in a live terminal while you're streaming, you're a fucking loser. Just telling you the truth. If people don't like it and they think I'm an asshole, fuck you too. I don't care. If you can't show live terminals while you trade, like these morons, 95% of the morons that stream, if you can't do that, then fuck you. Okay, we'll go look at Wally Baba. I think Wally
Clean your
does
driveway
actually.
in under 5 minutes with this incredible $80 gadget. Just attach it to your hose.
They do sometimes. But this guy does, right? Wally Baba does. So hats off to him for showing a live terminal with live trades that he's trading. Hats off to Wally Baba. He's in a buy on gold. So he's up on that. Hats off to him, man. Anyone who does that, hats off to him, man. Especially if they want you to buy their services, you should want them to do that. Gold did have that long tail, right? And it was probably definitely a signal. I took the oil one instead, and I might regret that, but gold definitely was a signal. And guys, I've been in the game a long time, right? I've been in the game forever. I'm old as dirt when it comes to trading. I've seen it all. And I'm telling you that anyone who can't show you, especially if they have services they want you to pay for, if they have a signal service they want you to pay for, or whatever it is they want you to pay for it, and they can't show you live trades in a live terminal, run the fuck away from them. Okay, I'm not even joking. This is serious time, right? This is where he took the trade right there. Run the fuck away from them. Run the fuck away. If someone says, I want you to buy my course, or I want you to buy my signals, and you say to them, well, you know what? I really would like to take your course. It sounds really good. Can you prove to me that you are successful in your own live account trading the system that you want to teach me? And if they don't show you a live history of success, run the fuck away from them. Okay? I'm not kidding you. This isn't a joke. We like to joke around a lot in here, but I'm dead serious about that. Run the fuck away from them because they're pussies. Okay? I will show you, if you wanted to get in my signal group, if you wanted to be in my signal group and you wanted a live history of success in accounts, I will show you 1 year of history in my account, in this account. I have several different live accounts. I will show you a live history of success. Okay? If you say, Clay, I'm thinking about joining your signal service, I will show you a year of history of live success. You know why? Because I'm not a pussy. That's why. I'm not a pussy. I'm not a pussy. Give a student offer? What do you mean give a student offer? What do you mean give a student offer? Not quite sure I understand what you mean. I'm not sure I understand what you mean. If you're wanting free shit, go somewhere else. If you're wanting free shit and you expect to get free shit from me, go somewhere else. If you want free shit, just go somewhere else. I charge for my time. My time is valuable to me. If you want free shit, go somewhere else. Nope. No discounts. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee, and the signals have lost maybe 3 times in 3 weeks. The signals are like 24 for 27. No discounts. Nope. 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 But do you want a history? Do you want account history on this? Do you want account history on this? Do you want an account history? Here we go. You guys ready for this? You want an account history on this account? We'll go back to March of last year. Do you guys want an account history on this? Okay, so you just saw me do an account history on this from 1 year. 30-day money-back guarantee is really generous, I do believe. You want a 1 year history because that's what that is. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, look at that. We're going to have to move it over a little bit. Okay. There's a 1 year history on that account. Yes, oil was a buy. $7,200 in deposits, withdrawals of $4,300, and profits of almost $1,600. So I don't know what that percentage is, but that's a year history on that account. I'm not afraid to show it to you because I'm not a pussy. Right? There's a year history. We went all the way back to March of last year. And I'm showing it to you. It should be on there, right? You guys can see that, or I moved it over. There it is. You guys can see that because I'm not a pussy. Okay? If anyone who wants you to buy their shit, buy their course, buy their signals, they should be able to show you a year history or more. And if they can't, then they're pussies. They're just pussies. So that was $1,700 out of $7,500. I don't know what the percentage is in 1 year in this small account. It's been higher at times. It's been lower at times. But I don't know what the percentage is. That's not the right way to do it. Anyways, it's good profit, right? It's decent profit. Well, but the bottom line is any profit over a year time is pretty good, right? Any profit is good. But the point is, who cares? And it's actually more. I've lost a little bit. So it probably was more, and it will be more. But anyone who can't show you that, they're a pussy. Anyone who can't show you that is a pussy. Why are you laughing? Why is this guy laughing? Icy Moko Sloth. Why is Icy Moko Sloth laughing? I bet you Icy Moko Sloth can't show a 12-month history of success. Here we go with the fucking haters, and he can kiss my ass. But I bet you Icy Moko Sloth can't show a history of success. I guarantee you he can't. Because this is what pussies do. They laugh because people make profit. You can go kiss my middle-aged sweet white ass too, you fucker. I don't know. Have your other people show you that. No one else will show you that because they're pussies. And I've seen your comments before. You can shut the fuck up. You're welcome to be here, and we'll mock you immensely because you're a fucking moron. Make more in a month or two at McDonald's. Oh, yes. Wonderful. That wasn't the point of what we were saying. That wasn't the point of what we were showing. But you don't get it because you're a fucking moron. That wasn't the point of what we were saying. The point of what we were saying is if people can't show you that they make money in the account that they're trading and they want you to buy their shit, run away from them. But of course you missed the point because you're a fucking moron. You're a fucking moron. Yeah, he did 33 of 36 in a row with this strategy. I don't give a fuck what you think, man. I really don't. I don't give a fuck what you think. I don't like you. You can kiss my ass. You can go fuck yourself. You can go fuck your goats. I don't like you. So get the fuck out of here. You can stay here as long as you want because I'm not going to kick you out. But I don't like you. Okay? So you can go fuck yourself. If I ever meet you in person, I'd beat your fucking ass. So I don't like you. So you can go fuck yourself. Okay? Does that make sense? Are we clear enough on that? You can go fuck yourself. I don't like you. I never will like you. You can go smooch my middle-aged white ass. Okay? That sound good? Go fuck yourself. We'll put you in timeout for 5 minutes and see if you want to come back and make dumbass comments again. You can go fuck yourself. How's that, you pussy? Go fuck yourself. Go fuck that goat without lube. I know you do it. Don't lie to people. I know you fuck that goat without lube. So go fuck yourself. All right, what time is it? 9:12. We got to go back to the 15-minute chart on some of these. Excuse me. Because now we're trading the 15-minute chart. And we might have a buy on the US 30. We might have a buy on oil, and we might have a sell on gold. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens in 3 minutes. But I'm sorry, I have little patience for fucking morons today. I was up late during London session. I have zero patience for fucking morons today. So if you want to be a fucking moron, there's other amateur streams you can go into and you can do stuff for them. I mean, like I said, it's a small account, and I showed you 1 year of history, which no one else will fucking show you. And it's not good enough for people because he's like, oh, well, we make more money at McDonald's. If you think that's my only live account, then you're dumber than I thought. Isu Muku Sloth. And I think you're really fucking dumb. So if you think that's my only live account, then you're fucking dumb. And I think you're dumber than I thought you were. And I think you're really fucking dumb. So you should be proud of the fact, knowing that you at least exceeded expectations in one area. I thought you were really dumb, but you've exceeded expectations. You are really, really fucking dumb. So congratulations on finally, once in your miserable fucking life, that you exceeded expectations. Congratulations. That's awesome. For once in your life, you exceeded expectations. That's amazing, man. You should be proud of yourself. You really should be proud of yourself. Excuse me. All right, we're going to trade some on the 15-minute. And I'm not going to lie, it hasn't been the best. I mean, we've taken a couple trades in it, and it hasn't been the best. But that doesn't mean anything, right? That doesn't mean anything. We still take the trades, and we because the numbers say to take the trades. And if the numbers say to take the trades, we take the fucking trades. We're not no FOMO homo pussies. Okay, and that's a buy on the US 30. And that's a sell on gold. And we're taking them because the numbers say to take them. And that doesn't mean we're not going to lose. We could absolutely lose, and losing is a part of the game, and we'll be fine with that. So on the US 30, we have to have our stop losses below 32,847. My stop loss on the US 30 is always 200 points to begin with. So we're going to go to 32,721. and once we get up a certain amount, we would place it in stops and break even. But that's what the numbers say to do, so we take the trade, no emotions, because we're not no FOMO homo pussies. Okay, other streams are pussies. Other streams are pussies, but we're not. Okay, and on gold, you're going to have a stop loss. Gold keeps doing this to us every time, too. We have that. I'm going to have a stop loss above. Oh, I don't want to have it above that. That's a lot. I'm just going to put it somewhat above this, which is at 1999. We'll go to 2007. We'll just go 100 points on that one, too, to begin with, and we'll see what happens. We'll go to 2008. Okay, and again, if we lose, we lose, guys. Numbers are numbers, right? Numbers are part of the game. If the candle, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Well, I like to trade. The time frame that I really like to trade is the 1 hour time frame. But on the stream, because most people don't want to sit around and wait for the 1 hour time frame, we're trading the 15-minute time frame, and the pattern should work 80 to 85% of the time, no matter what time frame you're trading, if that makes sense. The pattern should work 80 to 85% of the time, no matter what time frame you're using. Okay. It should work. So let's get some more motherfuckers in here from the other stream. Wally Baba, he deserves some credit. So credit to Wally Baba for having live trades going on in a live terminal. Unlike these fucking morons right here, like Controller FX or any of those other fucking morons that will never do that. They'll never do that for you because they're pussies. Like Controller FX. So again, we're not pussies like Controller FX and anyone else who streams on YouTube that won't show a terminal with live trades there, and they're all pussies. They're pussies, but they know they're pussies. I mean, you know, they know they're pussies. That's why they don't like me, because like this one guy said in the comment section earlier, I've made it so a lot of them do it now. Right? I've made it so a lot of them do. Derek Evans said they do now. You changed the game. Yeah, we changed the game because we held them accountable. We held them accountable for their bullshit. Right? We held them accountable for their bullshit. If you can't show live trades in a live terminal, get the fuck off YouTube. Stop charging people money. Because that's how they make their money, right? That's how they make their money. And we can talk about this until we have other trades going on. But that's how they make their money. They need their subs for their signal service. They need their course money because they suck at trading. They suck at trading. And that's the reason they do it. They can't trade their own system. They suck. They suck at it. So they have to try and get money from people to continue their shitty stuff, because that's all they can do. Controller, you know, I've actually been wanting to listen to that. I heard he did that Trading Nut interview, and he admitted in the Trading Nut interview that he was not successful till late 2021, even though he's been claiming that he makes $20,000 to $40,000 a month. I heard in that stream, in the Trading Nut stream, that he admitted that he only became successful in late 2021, but has claimed on his stream that he makes $20,000 to $40,000 a month, yet lives with his parents. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but whatever. It doesn't make a whole hell of a lot of sense. If you're making that kind of money, you probably shouldn't live with your parents, but you know, whatever. But I heard that on that Trading Nut interview that he admitted that he wasn't successful until late 2021, which was like 3 or 4 months ago, but had been claiming for months and months and months You caught it. You're the one that caught it. Yeah. No, I don't think anything's by mistake, man. I think it just slipped out. I think it slipped out. And if you could find that clip, man, I would pay you $50. I'll cash out you $50. I'll cash out you $50 literally right now if you could find that clip where he says that he wasn't successful till late 2021. If you can find that clip, K1, I will cash up you $50 because I think it's fucking hilarious. $50, dude. Find it for me. Tell me what time frame it is. Yeah, you know what? I've seen that guy before, and I've commented in his section, in his comment section. We can go take a look at. I like the dude though, so I like the dude. I've commented and I've talked to him a little bit, but I'm not sure. But I like the dude, to be honest with you. But again, you'll notice one thing. And I like this guy. Okay, I'm not saying anything bad about this guy, but you see how they love this trading view stuff. They love this trading view stuff because it looks really beautiful, right? It looks really, really beautiful. But you'll never see live terminals up. I like this guy though, so I have nothing but cool things to say about him. He's been extremely nice to me.
Okay, so you can see they flip script right away. Divergent plays starting to come together with NAS. Okay, so the bearish flag pattern did not happen. Okay, it looked promising. You can see now we're performing an engulfing candlestick.
But again, when you hide behind trading view, you can manipulate things all the time, right? You hide behind trading view, you can manipulate things all the time.
Perfect. Oh, there we go.
When you hide behind trading view, you can manipulate things all the time.
Okay, I got 10. Like, what do you guys can do? This 4 candle is also going to be re-breaking the highs very soon. Once you re-break this high over here at 2008, it should just rip up towards 2017. Like, that's why our TP is there. All right, next resistance. It was a 30-minute starter play. 1 hour close above the most recent resistance. Looking left, you have clean traffic until.
Oh, and look at that. They're actually look at what they're doing on gold right there. Look at what they're doing on gold. They're taking a gold trade on the 1 hour time frame. Look at the pattern. You recognize anything? You notice anything about the pattern on the 1 hour time frame? You notice anything about the 1 hour pattern on the time frame? Do you notice anything about that pattern right there that they're doing? You notice how that tail is longer than the body of the candle? That's really weird, isn't it? That's really weird how now all of a sudden he's doing that. That's crazy, right? Let's see.
Overall, like 2009, eventually 2017. Yeah, slipped.
Yeah, 5 pips.
5 pips. I got entries at. Oh yeah, slipped by a bit.
See, and it's funny too because he's always looking at his phone. Why don't you just put the trade that you're in, the actual position you're in the live stream? Why are you having to go onto your phone to take your position? Why don't you just take the trade on the live stream and pull up your terminal in your live stream? Why? Because you're a pussy.
Highs and half on the first break of highs, or just one entry?
Why? Because you're a pussy.
One entry.
You're a pussy.
Well, I always do half and half, but both of my halves are on the break of the current candle high.
Okay, so let's see what happens and see if they win or lose on this trade. But you notice how they never show this stuff. They never show it because they're pussies.
Free trade, and now it's just house money. You are tapping that minor resistance here, so just be cautious. Be cautious this level, but overall, I should run towards like.
I don't know if I can slide it at all. I apologize, man. I don't know if I can slide it. Maybe I can slide it a little bit. Actually, there you go, right there. Right there you go.
Yeah, I got it.
Oops, no, it goes right back to that.
11 here.
Left side of the box. I know. I apologize, dude.
I bring on runners, man. I want to hit TP 2017. Give it to me.
I mean, it's very hard. Like these runners are coming at the tip of the wicks.
But again, my question is, my only question is this: if you're really good at what you do, why not just show your terminal? Why not just show your terminal? If you're really good at it and your trades are really good, why not just show your terminal, right? Just show your terminal. Anyway, whatever. So we're up on 2 trades right now, and we're down on a trade, and we're down a little bit, obviously, on that US 30 trade that we took based off the 15-minute candle. We're up on gold, and we're up on, let's see, where are we at? Okay, so on oil, we want to place our stops at plus 10 at 107.36. And if we get knocked out, that's fine. But we're moving our stop to profit on that. So 107.36. Looks like we'll probably get stopped out here. But we're up on it. If you want to take that right now, you can take it right now. If you want to hold on to it, you can hold on to it. So one winner so far. Gold looks like it didn't quite get us 20 to 30 points and is now starting to move up, but maybe we should have moved it because we're on the 15-minute chart. Maybe we should have moved it. 1994. So you had 20 points on that. Maybe you should have done that. We're out on oil. That's fine. Maybe we should have moved it. Maybe we should have moved on gold because we're up plus 20. But I think we might get another opportunity on gold to move. So we'll see. The US 30, we're going to get our ass kicked, it looks like. I understand that, but like I'm saying, why not just show people that you're successful in your live account? That's all I'm saying. I get what you're saying too, but again, and people will tell you all the time, well, we don't show the live terminal because it's some against some law. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not against the law to show. You're not a financial advisor. You're not giving financial advice. It's not against, because that's an excuse that I used to hear all the time. Well, the reason we don't show a terminal is because, it's against the law. It is not against the law to show live trades in a live terminal. That's just bullshit. Okay? It's just bullshit. It is not against the law. So we're getting our ass kicked on the US 30 right now, and that's okay, right? Like we said, losses are a part of the game. We did this one the 15-minute, and the reason why we do the 15-minute is because it just allows us more opportunities. So we might lose on that, and that's okay. What is the stop loss on that? Oh, we still got 100 points on that, though. We're still 100. We're only halfway done with that trade, so we'll see what happens. But we do have a 15-minute candle closing in 2 minutes, and now gold could potentially be giving us a buy. So that's going to be interesting, right? Because gold could potentially be giving us a buy, and I will take the buy trade on gold as well, and then we'll see what happens, I guess. But gold is definitely giving us a buy signal on the 15-minute chart, and I like the buys better than I like the sells, but we'll see what happens. So we might have a buy and a sell trade on gold at the same time. Is there anybody that didn't get knocked out of the oil trade and is still in the oil trade? Is there anybody that did not get knocked out of the oil trade? All I'm saying, and I'm saying this for your guys' good too, if people can't show you live trades in a live terminal, run the hell away from them. Run the hell away from them. That's all I'm saying. If they can't show you live trades in a live terminal, run the hell away from them. That's all I'm saying. Still 25% in? Sweet. Okay, so again, if they can't show you that, then run the hell away from them. There's no reason for you to be in any stream. No reason for you to pay money to people if they can't prove to you that they are successful. That's all I'm saying. I'm not trying to be mean to people. No pay money to people if they can't prove to you that they are successful. Okay, sorry guys, I'm just doing something really quick. I'm not trying to be mean to people. Okay? If they can't show you that, run the hell away from them. I'm telling you. We're going to go recruit more people in here because it's fun to do that.
You know, it's uncanny how often I hear from active investors over the
You know,
last.
you know, it's uncanny how stupid you are, buddy. That's how uncanny you are. How uncanny it is that how stupid you are. Well, we're showing one right here, Jesse. GT, what I mean by a live terminal is you see the live terminal up right now in my when it gets back to my screen. Do you see this live terminal up right now? That shows live trades that you're in right now. Do you see that live terminal right there? That is live trades that we're in right now. We don't hide behind TradingView because we're not pussies. Okay, most people that stream will hide behind TradingView because they're pussies. Okay, that's just the bottom line. We don't hide behind TradingView here because we're not pussies. That's just the bottom line. So if they can't show you a live terminal with live success that they have in their own accounts, and they want you to give them your hard-earned money when it comes to either signal services or courses, and they can't prove to you that they're successful in their own course or their own trading, you run the hell away from them. Run the hell away from them. Ask them to be transparent is what I'm saying. Basically is what I'm trying to say is ask them to be transparent. And if they can't be transparent with you, then you run the hell away from them. And again, I'm not trying to be an asshole, okay? I'm trying to protect you guys. No, GT, it's not. You want to know the difference? Here's the difference. That's a live terminal right there. And if you go to that stream, if you go to Controller FX stream, it's not a live terminal. Look, watch. Even when they're in a trade, it's not a live terminal. Look, do you see a live terminal up there? They're supposedly in a trade right now. Do you see a live terminal up down here at all when they're in trades? Do you see a live terminal like you do here? On my stream, you see the live terminal. Here you don't see a live terminal. All you see is TradingView. Okay? There's no live terminal because they're hiding behind TradingView because they're pussies. That's all there is to it. They're hiding behind TradingView because they're pussies. They don't want you to know their track record. Okay, they don't want you to know their track record. They don't want it to know. They don't want you to know. Here's another example of this. Okay, and I'm getting on this guy's case because this guy's just a complete douchebag. Okay, I'm sorry that hurts people's feelings. I don't give a fuck. The guy's a complete douchebag. Here's another way to look at it. Here's another way to look at it. I'm not saying that TradingView isn't live. I'm saying that why don't you show a live terminal while you trade? Move gold into profit. Yep, move gold into profit, guys. Maybe 1995, so maybe plus 10, 1995, 84. So that's 2 for 2 so far, 1995, 84. So that's 2 for 2 so far on the stream today. That's awesome. Good job. Good job. See, that's what happens when you don't hide behind TradingView and you're not a pussy. Okay, so you're going to start with a $10,000 balance on this trading nut deal. And I don't remember if he ends up being successful. He might have made a little bit. I don't think he made a ton. No, look. So there it is, guys. Okay. Here it is right here. And this is just a perfect example of when you have to trade live right? Listen, when you have to trade live in a live setting, when you can't hide behind trading view, look, he started at a $10,000 balance. Oh, you guys might not be able to see this. I might have to move things again. And his balance at the end is $9,834. I'm going to move this for a minute so you guys can see it. So when he had to trade live, right? When he had to trade live, have a live terminal up, what does that terminal say right there? What does that terminal say? Does it say $9,834? Is that what that terminal says? You guys can see it now. I moved it. Does that terminal down at the bottom of that live say 9,838? Is that what it says? Right? 9,838 started the challenge at 10,000 and he lost. Okay, you start the challenge on the trading nut with a balance of 10,000. Let's just look at it right there. Okay, you start with a balance of 10,000. You start with a balance of 10,000. And at the end he has it might be too small to read, but I can tell you, and it looks like he even starts out with profit. It starts out, he does good. He gets to 10,165. You guys can go view it. I'll post it in here. You guys can go view it. But the point I'm trying to make is when he had to trade live and he couldn't hide behind trading view, what happened? I'll post it right here. When he had to trade live and he couldn't hide behind trading view, what happened? What happened? When he had to trade live and he couldn't hide behind trading view, what happened? He lost because he sucks. You know who else took that challenge? Do you know who else took the trading nut challenge? I did. Do you know what I ended up? I think it was plus 5%. I was net 5%. Trading nut took all of my stuff off there because I made fun of somebody. How is it a sell? It's really, really easy how it was a sell. You had a sell candle right there a couple candles ago. There it is right there. It's really easy. He traded live for an hour. I think you take 5 or 6 trades and he traded live for an hour. But when I was on Trading Nut, I gained a net 5%. And I wish Trading Nut wouldn't have been such a pussy and taken my stuff off there because I made fun of someone that he was going to have on his stream. So he took all of my stuff off there. I wish before that one, you would have bought that. You would have bought that and you would have made money on that. You would have bought that and you would have made money. I know which one you're talking about. You would have bought that. That would have been a buy and you would have made money. You would have gotten in at 1995 and it made a high before it went down of 1999. You would have made money. It's perfect. That was a perfect one. I see the candle you're talking about. You're talking about this candle right here, and you would have bought it because it had a tail longer than the body of the candle. You would have bought it. That's perfect. That's perfect. 5% in an hour, yeah. Okay, and so something that I haven't really talked to you guys about that we can talk about right now for a minute while we wait. It looks like we're going to get stopped out at plus 10 on that one. Okay, so you have that one right there that would have been a buy. When you're up on that trade and then you see the sell signal come, what do? Right? At that point, I don't take the sell signal because I'm already in the buy, right? I don't take the sell signal because I'm already in the buy. But what I might do is that's a sign that maybe sellers are coming into the market. I might start moving my stops up a little bit more or take some profit. So that tells you that sellers are coming into the market, right? Well, that's your fault, man. That's not our fault. That's your fault. I've always told you guys, if you're in the stream, once you're up 30 to 40 points on gold, you set your stops at break even at least. So that's not our fault. That's your fault. You got in 1995 and you had almost 550 points there. And if you didn't set your stops at least break even, that's your fault. That's not our fault. I tell you guys all the time, at 30 to 40 points, set your stops at break even. So if you didn't do that, that's your fault. That's no one else's fault but yours. But anyways, this trading net guy took all my stuff off there because he was gonna have Uncle Ted on there, and I made fun of Uncle Ted back in the day when Uncle Ted and I were going at it. I made fun of him. I made fun of Uncle Ted because his trading nut challenge went shitty too, and so I was making fun of him, and he got mad, and because Uncle Ted canceled his trading nut interview, so he got mad and took it out on me and took me out of all of his stuff. And so you can't see any of my stuff on there anymore on Trading Nut. But let's see. Hold on a second. Let's see. Let's see if we can find it though while we wait for other stuff. We've got 4 minutes left in this candle before we have to worry about anything. Let's see if we can find it, because I was on there and I think he took me off. We might be able to find one right here. And this guy also is a moron. You have just a ton of morons on here. You have just a ton of morons on here. He does have a bunch of morons. Todd Capital is another idiot. I'm trying to see if it'll show the challenge results. He may not. He's had everybody on though. I mean, he has had everybody on. But and I want to be very careful because, like I said, I don't have beefs with anybody anymore. So I don't have beefs with anybody. So I want to be very careful. See, I think, yeah. So there it is right there. Look at that. So you can see it right there. So although sorry, it was 3.27%. I apologize, but there it is right there. There's me right there. There's me right there, right? There's Ted. There's Paul. So there it is right there. I actually gained on the challenge. There it is. You can see it. Actually, you can't see it right because it's kind of, we got to move it over a little bit. There it is right there. Clayton Hall, number 3. That's me. Because we're not pussies. So there it is. And how did little boy blue controller FX do? He actually lost percentage. So, and it looks like gold took us out for +10, and gold is going to give us a buy signal here in 1 minute. So we're going to take the buy signal on gold because that's what the numbers say to do. And there it is. So now we're in a buy on gold. Yeah, so he says TradingView does have a live terminal, but they'll never hook into that. Why will they never hook into that? Because they're pussies. They're pussies. That's why they'll never do it. Okay, so we're in a gold buy now. We +10 on that one. And remember, guys, losses are part of the game. We could absolutely lose on this trade, and that's okay. But your stop loss has to be below the low of that tail. and the low of that tail is 1990. So I'm going to have that one at 1986. Stop loss will be 1986 to begin with, 1987. And once we get up a certain amount, if we're lucky enough and fortunate enough to get up a certain amount, then we'll move our stops. Okay, so the stop loss is down below that tail, and we'll see if we get in profit. If we don't get in profit, that's okay too, right? Like we said, losses are a part of the game. My take profit is I'm going to move stops to break even once up 20 to 30 pips or points, however the hell you want to call it. But just look at your chart. If this ends up going in our favor, where is your major resistance areas? So again, instead of asking what the take profit is, where are your major support and resistance levels at? Just look at those. So up 20 to 30 points, stops at break even. Once you get up 40 to 60 pip points or whatever, your stop should be at plus 10, plus 20, and then I just keep moving the stop. But just look at your chart, right? Gokul, I know you say you're new at this, but where's your next major resistance level? Okay, you're never, again, I'm fine with you asking that question right now, but you're never going to become a better trader by asking random people on YouTube where levels are. Look, there's your next major resistance level at 2009, right there. You could say maybe right where it is now, or close to where it is now. But all you have to do is just go to your major support and resistance levels. 1999 at the 2000 level from right here. So again, instead of asking that question, right? Instead of asking that question, just look at your charts. Your charts will tell you everything you need to know. And if you're going to stay in this stream, I demand that you actually put in the work, right? Put in the work. Find out what it is. Put in the work, right? You're never going to become a better trader by not putting in the work and learning where those levels are. Okay, you're never going to become a better trader even asking me, and I'm really good at what I do, but you should know those levels. You should know, hey, if I get in this trade right here, where's my next major support, where's my next major resistance? You should know those things if you're going to get in. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go get something to eat real quick, guys. I'm gonna go, and I will be back in a few minutes, and we'll wait for another opportunity. So, well, but if you understand, that should mean no more asking of those questions, to be honest. But I'm glad you're here, and I don't want to trash on anybody. I want you guys to understand that this is a big boy stream. Okay, this is a big boy stream. We actually put in the work and put in the time. But I'm going to go grab something to eat. I will be right back. right, we're back, guys. Looks like we're down a little bit on gold. We're back. Oh, Ichi's back. Ichi's back. We'll put that dumbass in timeout again. I have little patience for fucking morons like him. We'll put him in timeout. See how he likes that. See how that grabs him. I have little time for fuckers like that. So, are we 2 for 2? Are we 2 for 2 today? Are we 2 for 2 today on trades in the stream so far? Are we 2 for 2 today so far? Does everybody remember? Are we 2 for 2? Are we 2 for 2? I think. Are we 2 for 2 today? Okay, just making sure. All right, we're just making sure everyone's knowing what's up. We're 2 for 2 so far. We have a couple trades in right now. So far in the streams this week, it's 23 for 25. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Are you guys hearing that? In the streams this week so far, 23 for 25. You fuckers, are you hearing that? That means we're the boss. That means when I go into that YouTube stream, what's going on? That's why I say in the gold chat room that I'm the fucking boss. It's because I'm the fucking boss. 23 for 25. There, you heard it again right there. 23 for 25. Motherfuckers. 23 for 25 in live streams. Motherfuckers. That's why I say I'm the king. I mean, can you blame us now? 23 for 25. If you would have been in this stream all week and you would have taken trades based on this stream all week, that's 23 for 25. That's what Grand Theft has done for us. Thank you very much for keeping track of that. I appreciate you, bro. You know what? We're going to do something. Son of a bitch. We're going to do something. We're going to reward Grand for doing that. We're going to knight him, Sir Grand Theft. We are going to knight him and make him a moderator at this point. We're going to knight him. We just knighted him. We made him a fucking moderator. There you go. We just knighted him. He is now a fucking moderator. He doesn't even have to ask. He doesn't even know that he probably doesn't even want to be a moderator, and I completely understand that. But he was just made a moderator because he's put in a lot of effort and time in this stream, and I appreciate it. So he now has the hammer. So now he gets to decide what the fuck happens in here. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? We just fucking knighted somebody like we're in the medieval times. We just fucking knighted somebody. Isn't that amazing? I think it's amazing. I mean, I feel good about it. I don't know about anybody else, but it really doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. It's my fucking stream. It only matters what I think. I am that bastard. I am a narcissist. Sue me for it. He's now been knighted. Sir Grand Theft. That's what we call him now. He is no longer Grand Theft. It's Sir Grand Theft. There's got to be a video we can do for that. There's got to be a video we can do. Sir Grand Theft. There's got to be a video we can do for that. let's see here. I hereby dub thee Sir Knight. There we go. There's got to be a video for this. Oh, there it is right there. There it is. This one's going to be perfect. This one's going to be perfect. This is perfect.
Easier.
Perfect. Look at this.
Presenting His Most Royal Majesty, the King. The King, Your Majesty. Sheriff of Nottingham, in gratitude for your faithful service, I shall knight thee, Your Most Gracious Majesty. In the name of my Most Royal Majesty, I knight thee. Arise, sirloin of beef.
Sirloin of beef.
Arise, Earl of Cloves. Arise, Duke of Brittingham.
Yes! Look at that!
Arise, Essence.
There you go. You have been knighted. Total P&L for those 25 trades. There you go. Total P&L for those 25 trades. Total P&L for those 25 trades is a lot. It's a lot, but no one fucking cares what you think because you just get timed out. Every time you make a comment, we just time you out. We just time you out, you motherfucker. But I am going to, from this moment forward, it's going to be up to Sir Grand Theft, whether or not people get banned. So from this time forward, it will be up to Sir Grand Theft and A-Rod when he's in here because he's earned the mod. It will be up to Sir Grand Theft whether or not you get to stay in this stream. He knows the rules. He knows the fucking rules. It'll be up to Sir Knight. Sir Knight, Grand Theft. 23 for 25, and the dumbass wanted to ask. What is the P&L on those 23 of 25? What is the P&L on that? Because I'm a dumbass. What is the P&L on the 23 of 25? Because I can't do anything because I said that this guy sucks. And now it's been proven that on the live stream it's 23 of 25. So now I have to move the goalpost, right? I have to move the goalpost, and now I have to ask, what's the P&L on that? 23 of 25. What's the P&L? There's got to be a way I can make fun of Iron Man and prove that he's a shitty trader. So what's the P&L on those 23 of 25? I don't know. Really good. What's the P&L? What's the P&L on those damn things? 23 of 25. 23 divided by 25. I must be getting really tired. 92% winning percentage on the live stream. But what's the P&L, damn it? What's the P&L, damn it? What's the P&L? This is gold. This is gold. Yes, it's gold. Yes, it is gold. Let's just say on the two losses. Let's just say on the two losses, it's 100 points, right? The two losses, it's 100 points. So let's just say the two losses were 100 points, were 100-point losses, and maybe Grant can even tell us that. So you'd have 200 points in losses on the live stream. And let's just say on the 23 other ones, you got only 10 points. That would be 230 points. So you'd still be up. And guess what? We didn't just get 10 points on all of them. We didn't just get 10 points on all of them. So even if you got 23 wins with 10 pips each, which hasn't been the case, you still would have won. So, but who cares? I mean, honestly, who fucking cares? To be honest with you, who fucking cares? It's been really good. I know it's been really good. I'm sexy as hell. And if you don't like it, you can kiss my middle-aged sweet white ass. Okay? That's how it's going to go down in here. It looks really good that we have a moderator in here now. It looks really good in here. But you can kiss my middle-aged sweet white ass. I don't care. It's middle-aged. It's straight, because I do like females. I love my wife with all my heart. Bless her. And I'm white. I'm middle-aged. And I have a pasty white ass. And you can kiss it. I don't fucking care. No one fucking cares. You can kiss my middle-aged sweet white ass. How about that? How's that grab you? Right? I think it feels pretty good. I don't know. I think it feels great. All right, so we'll be here till 11 o'clock, and then I'm going to go sleep for a couple hours. I've got to do some evaluations of kids. Remember I told you last night that I'm starting to do some mental health evaluations at an office, so I got to go to the office at 4 o'clock today, which is in 6 hours, and do a couple hours of mental health evaluations for kids. Because I have my master's degree in clinical psychology. So I've got to go do that for a couple hours today. And then tomorrow's Friday, right? I'm going and doing a couple more tomorrow. And then I leave on Monday to go to Hawaii for 2 weeks. So there will be no live streams while I'm in Hawaii. The kids come to I go to an office here in town. I have an office in that office, and they come and I evaluate them. And then I give my recommendations to the staff at that mental health clinic. So, but then it's 2 weeks in Hawaii, and I will not be live streaming on YouTube. I will be doing it on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram and you have an Instagram account, no, the doc didn't give me new meds, but no one fucking cares what you think. I'm glad that you waited the 5 minutes to come back in here and make that comment. I'm glad you made it through another 5 minutes and were able to make that comment again. God bless you for that. That's got to make you feel really good to know that you waited 5 minutes just to make another dumbass comment. I mean, at least you're winning at that, right? You suck at life. You're a pathetic fucking loser. But at least you're good at that. He does. He has tenacity, and you got to give that to him, right? I mean, you got to give it to him. He at least is good at one thing. He sucks at life, but he's at least good at one thing. He's really tenacious. Good on him for that, right? I mean, we all should be so tenacious with stuff, right? So good on him for that. Congratulations. You're a fucking moron. You butt fuck goats without lube. We all know that. You butt fuck goats without lube. And I think it's kind of mean to do that to the goats, Isumoko Sloth. I mean, if you're going to butt fuck the goat, at least use lube. Be nice to it. Right? Be nice to the goat. If you're going to do it, butt fuck the goat, at least have the courtesy of using lube. You know? I mean, the goat didn't do anything to you. Why would you butt fuck it without lube? There it is right now. You don't need to drop the IG link. I'm just going to show you the IG page right there. Ironman Futures Trading. Ironman Futures Trading on Instagram. I post all my shit there. Ironman Futures Trading. I do have a hater account, and it's awesome. Ironman Futures Trading is a scam. I love that guy to death. He is my hero. And like I say on all of my live streams, if you don't have a hater account, against you, well, look at that girl. We need to get rid of that. That's not good. If you don't have a hater account, then you're not doing anything fucking important. That's how I feel about it. I have a hater account. Ironman Futures Trading is a scam. I love that guy to death. If you don't have a hater account, you are not doing anything fucking important. Does that make sense to everybody? Does everybody understand that? If you don't have listen, if you don't have a hater account, if you don't have a hater account, then you aren't doing anything fucking important. Ironman futures trading is a scam. Is the hater account? My account is Ironman futures trading. Ironman futures trading is a scam. Is the hater account? Ironman futures trading. I think I blocked him. Is a scam. I think I blocked him so I won't be able to see it, but yeah, you can see the guy. He is my hero. I love the guy to death. He is my hero. I love him. You should follow him too. You should absolutely follow him. I totally encourage you to follow my hater account. The guy's a fucking moron. But then again, most people are fucking morons, right? Gold is in profit, guys. We'll wait a little bit longer to see if we get in more profit. But gold is in profit right now. The US 30 is just kind of farting around like a fart in the wind. Just kind of sitting there doing nothing, but that's okay. We were down on it a lot, right? We were down thinking we were going to lose on that trade, and now it's potentially we could actually win on the US 30 trade. But yeah, follow that guy too. I don't fucking care if you follow that guy. Follow him. See if I fucking care. All right. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. All right, let's move our stops to break even on gold. I got in at 1997, so I'm going to go 1997.50 on gold. So we'll make a little bit no matter what, but let's move our stops to at least break even on that 1997.50. So that's another win. It's another win. Another win for us. Thank you very much. If you want to just take it, you can take it. I don't really give a damn what you do. That's up to you. I can't tell you what to do, but you have another win on that, and we're going to count that as another win. So, Sir Knight Grand Theft, would that make it 24 for 26 in live stream trades? Would that make it 24 for 26? I know I can do that, but I'm old school, bud. You're absolutely right. I could do that, and sometimes I do that. I'm old school, and I just do it that way. You can do it however the hell you want. I don't care. I'm just old school, and I'm used to doing it that way. So, but I agree with you. You can do it whatever floats your boat, man. Whatever gets your man parts. If you're a man, whatever gets your man parts sticking up, or whatever gets your lady parts doing whatever the hell the lady parts do when you get excited. I don't really care. Do whatever the hell you want. If you're a lady and however those lady parts get all excited, I don't know. Whatever those lady parts you have to do in order to, get a little fun going. I have no idea. But, there's A-Rod. A-Rod is my buddy, and he is the only other person that has the wrench. We united Grand Theft. He got the wrench today, A-Rod. So I hope you're okay with that. If you're not, oh well. But A-Rod is the original wrench, and if you fuck around with A-Rod, he will definitely ban you. He will fucking ban you in a heartbeat, and he'll laugh at you. He'll piss in your front yard and laugh at you. He'll shit in your front yard and laugh at you. But he is the original. You know what? I don't know why he does, and if he ever comes back in here again, we're gonna ban that fucker. If he ever comes back in here again, that wrench is being taken away from that fucker. I'm just kidding. I have no problem with him, but if he ever comes back in here again, that wrench is taken away from that fucker. We'll give it to Controller FX. If anyone can get Controller FX in here, that little pussy Controller FX, if anyone can get him in here, we'll make him a mod for a day. Maybe he'll actually learn how to fucking trade. I'm being an asshole today. I'm tired. I need to go to sleep. I'm being an asshole. But if anyone can, and K1 Beats, you were supposed to find me that clip where Little Boy Blue Controller FX says that he only became successful in late 2021. Apparently, when he was on Trading Nut interview, he said he only became successful in late 2021. Although he'd been claiming on his live stream for months that he makes $20,000 to $40,000 a month, and then he goes on Trading Nut and says that he was only successful starting in 2021. That doesn't make a lot of sense. So, but K1 oh, you're driving. Okay, yeah, find that clip. You have my Instagram, right? You have my Instagram, Ironman Futures Trading. Find that clip so we can see from Little Boy Blue. Little Boy Blue. Little Boy Blue. Little Boy Blue. We can find out why he's claiming on his streams when he's wanting people to pay for his shit. He says he's been successful for a long time, but when he goes on that, the difference between TradingView platform and your live terminal, GT, I've shown you this like several times, man. I don't know why this is still a question for you. The difference is you see numbers right here, right? See that number right there? The difference is you see numbers. Do you see that? Do you see that right there? You'll never see that on the Trading Nut ones because they're pussies. All right, we got knocked out of gold. That's fine. We got 1 minute left in this 15-minute candle. Do we have a sell on gold? I'm not going to take the sell on gold on this 15-minute. That's the difference. You'll never see that in their live streams. You'll never see them with actual live trades in a live account. And I'm going to show you another perfect example of it right here. Not to knock on, I'm not trying to knock on him right now. We've done enough knocking of this guy, and I feel kind of bad. Do we need to watch this video again? The knighting of our buddy here tonight. Okay, now I'm not trying to knock him right now. I want to give him a break. Okay, but when they're in trades, you'll never see a live terminal up. Okay, we're going to pause this again right here. The difference is there's no live terminal. I've asked, I don't go into his stream because I'm not usually up at that time of day, but if I ever end up being up that time of day, I will absolutely ask him. But you'll never see a live terminal. They're supposedly in trades right now, and he's taking those trades. He's taking yeah. He's supposedly in these trades right now, but you'll never see it, right? You'll never see it. Every time he takes a trade, he has to go onto his phone and he takes a trade on his phone. But he'll never show you a live terminal with live trades he's in because he's a pussy. But you'll notice every time he gets in a trade, he's looking at his phone and he's doing stuff. Because when you have a demo account, you have to refresh it every 30 days. Just so you guys know, demo accounts, you have to refresh every 30 days. Okay, demo accounts have to be refreshed every 30 days, just so everyone's aware. That's a public service announcement for everybody. If you're on a demo account, it has to be refreshed every 30 days. Okay? Refreshed every 30 days. So when you're demo trading, those accounts are only good for 30 days. So that's why you have to refresh them. Okay, perfect. I have no idea about Mamba FX. I don't know who the person is. I guess I've heard of him. Let's go check him out too. Let's go check him out. Why don't you show the Vala? What's the Vala? Oh, look at Neo. Yes, you can. Neo, do you want to see 3 months of live? Do you want to see a year of live trades, Neo? Yeah, absolutely. You can see it. Do you want to see a year of live trades in this small account? Absolutely. Do you want to see a year? We'll go back a year. How about that? Will that be good? We will go back a year. How about that? Will that help you? Will that grab you? We'll go back a year. The only scammer is Iron Man. See, here it is right now. Do you want to go back a year? Do you want to go back a year? We'll show you a year. Why ask for 3 months? Why not just go back a year? Okay, so there's a year right there in this account. Why not just go back a year? Let's go back a year. There, you have the year, and I'll show it to you right here. because I'm not a pussy. In this account alone, what does it say? What does it say in a year's time in this account alone? What does it say in this account alone right here? What does it say? We went back a year. Do you want a year? And they're like, oh my gosh, $1,500, $1,600 is nothing. Well, this account is only deposits of 7,200. So what's the percentage? If your account is $7,250 and you've made $1,600, what's the return on investment? What's the return on investment? Do you want more than I just showed you a year. So now what the fuck, Neil? Now what the fuck? Now what the fuck? You fucking loser. I just showed you a year. What's the percentage? I don't even know what it is, and I don't care, because it's not about that. It's about consistent growth. Oh, so now Mike says, why don't you show the rest of the accounts? Are you afraid? How about you ask those fuckers that you follow, Mike? How about you ask those fuckers to show you 1/4 of what I've shown you so far, and then you can have more of my accounts. I'll make you that deal right now. You go show those fuckers. You go ask those fuckers that you follow on YouTube that you kiss their ass. You go ask them to show you 1 year in one account, and I'll show you more. How about that? You go ask those fuckers to show you one account with one bit of live history, and I will show you other accounts. How about that? How about that, motherfucker? How about that? Go ask your people that you butt fuck every day. Go ask them to show you one account. Go ask them to show you one account with live history for a year, and then you can come back here. But go butt fuck your buddies and ask them to show you even half of what we're showing you right now. Even half of what we're showing you right now. And then we'll show you more. You can go butt fuck yourself. Nobody fucking cares. Why am I nervous? How am I nervous? How can you tell that I'm nervous right now? How can you tell that I'm nervous right now? I'm not nervous at all. What the fuck are you talking about? How can you tell that I'm nervous? I mean, these people are fucking stupid. These people are fucking stupid. Do you want some more? Do you want some more proof? Do we want some more proof? Yeah, I haven't shed a tear at all. But you're a fucker, dude. No one fucking cares. Do you want more proof? Let's do more proof. I'll show you more proof. I don't care. I'll show you more proof. Do you want more proof? Yeah, let's do more proof. Let's do more proof. I don't have to show you a fucking thing, because none of the people that you follow and you kiss their ass, none of the people that you follow, you don't dare ask them anything. You don't dare ask them anything. You don't ask them to show you anything. But because you're a fucker, that's what you ask, right? Do you want another history? This is one of my FTMO accounts. Do you want history on this one too? Let's do a history on this FTMO account that I have an 80-20 split on now. Do you want some more? I'll show them all day long, man. I don't fucking care. They're fucking clowns. I'll show them all day long. I don't fucking care. You're gonna come into my stream. I'll show you. I have no problem showing you. This account was started on the 25th of February. Let's move this a little bit. Let's see if I can get this over a little bit. Again, I don't have to show anybody anything. The man asked you a simple question. Why did you block them if you make money? Well, first of all, I didn't block them. Okay? It was my mod that blocked them. And my question to you, Rodo, is why the fuck do you care? Why the fuck do you care? Oh yeah, look at that. Move stops to break even on that. I didn't block anybody. Okay, I'm relying on my two guys here to do that for you. But move stops to break even or +5. I'm gonna move it to +5 probably. Oh no, we're up way more than that. Sorry, we're up. We got it 32,721, and we're up 63 points. So we're gonna move stops to +20. +20. So that's another win. That's another win. 32,941. 32,941. We'll get +20 on that. Hey, Sir Grand Theft, what does that make us? What does that make us in the live stream? What does that make us in the live stream? Sir Grand Theft, what does that make us in the live stream? Winning percentage wise. Where does that make you? 23, 25? I think it's actually more than that, but I think it was 23 of 25 when we started the day, right? Or maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I thought it was that to start the day. But maybe I'm wrong. Radu says, why should he compare himself with others? And Radu, I know you're new here, and I welcome you here. The answer to your question is because I fucking want to. So he says, why does he compare himself to others? Because I fucking want to. And it's my stream and I can do whatever the fuck I want. That's the answer. How about that? I'm glad you're here, but that's the answer to the question. Because I fucking want to and it's my stream. And I can do whatever the fuck I want. That's a stupid answer. I don't give a fuck what you think. Okay? No one fucking cares what you think. If you think that's a stupid answer, no one fucking cares. You asked me a question, I answered the question. You didn't like the answer, I don't really give a fuck. Okay? No one fucking cares. You're not relevant in here. Okay? If you don't like the answer, then get the fuck out of here. No one fucking cares. You're not relevant. No one fucking knows who you are. I answered the point is I answered your question. You asked, why do I compare myself to others? Because I fucking want to, because I fucking can. And that's all that matters. I answered your question. You just didn't like the answer. That's the problem. I answered the question. You just didn't like the answer. I answered the question. Why do I compare myself to others? Because I fucking want to. It's my fucking stream. I'll do whatever I want. That's the answer. The next couple of weeks, I will not be streaming on YouTube. The next couple of weeks, I will be streaming daily on my Instagram page, Ironman Futures Trading. Okay. So now the answer is not logical and it's not respectful. I don't give a fuck if it's respectful. If you want respect, go somewhere else. If you here's the problem, Radu, okay? The markets don't give a fuck about your feelings. The markets don't give a fuck about my feelings, okay? If you get offended by the musings of some idiot, and I am an idiot, some idiot on a YouTube stream, how are you going to handle the markets? The markets will chew you up and spit you out. If you get butt hurt because someone was, quote, disrespectful on a YouTube stream, the markets will chew you up, spit you out, and laugh at you. The markets don't care about my feelings. The markets don't care about your feelings. The markets don't care about anyone's feelings. I've been doing this for 18 years. Guess what? The markets don't know my name. The markets don't give a fuck about me. The markets don't care. Okay? Oh, but it's not respectful. It's not. Who the fuck cares? Nobody. Okay? Ironman Futures Trading on Instagram. Okay, I will be doing it from there. It's fun. We like to have fun. We like to have fun, and we like to mock people, and if they don't like it, they can leave. I don't care. We're real on this stream, okay? We're real. We don't fuck around on this stream. We're real. If you make stupid ass comments, you're gonna be mocked a little bit, okay? Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally, okay? Okay? Don't take it personally if you get mocked in here. But we're a real stream in here. This is the big boy stream. We call this the big boy stream. Amateur hour stopped when Controller FX stopped streaming. Okay? Amateur hour stopped when Controller FX stopped streaming a couple hours ago. That's when amateur hour stopped. This is big boy time. This is big boy time. Okay? Amateur hour stopped when Controller FX stopped streaming. She is nice. I liked Quarterly. She got tired of it too. I mean, you've had a bunch of streams. You had I have a bunch of people that used to. I had a bunch of people that used to stream. Black Box Trading used to stream. We were friends for a while. You don't respect your people. I don't respect you. Why the fuck do you care? Iron Man Futures Trading on Instagram. Iron Man Futures Trading is a scam, is that hater account against me, and I love him. I love him. I know Blackbox used to do the commands, and I used to love that. Iron Man Futures Trading is a scam, is the hater account. I love that guy to death. He makes me want to holler sometimes. He makes me want to just, scream and shout. I love the guy. Iron Man Futures Trading is a scam, is the hater account. I always say, if you don't have a hater account against you, you're not doing anything important. Let's look at Black. He hasn't done it for a long time. I wonder where he went. I wonder where Blackbox went. It was 5 months ago, the last time he streamed. Okay, listen to me. Doro, or whatever your name is. Listen to what I'm going to tell you right now. I don't give a fuck about YouTube followers. I don't give a fuck about Instagram followers. I do this for fun. I make fucking money trading. I could give two shits about YouTube. I could give two shits about YouTube and how many followers you have. Oh my gosh. That's a fucking clown's game. No one fucking cares. Good for him. Good for him. He has a bunch of people. Good for him. Good for fucking him. I don't care about fucking YouTube. Okay? I don't give two shits about YouTube followers. I don't give two shits about Instagram followers. Do you know why? Because I make money fucking trading. About the rest of what account? What do you mean the rest of what account? I'm not nervous at all. You don't understand me at all, dude. What am I nervous about? What about the rest of the account? What are you talking about? I mean, if you're going to make dumbass comments in here, at least back it up. What are you talking about? The rest of the account. What are you talking about? Well, again, Doro, here's the problem. I've shown you two accounts today. Okay? I've shown you two accounts today. Do you ask Doro? Let's just give an example. We use Raja as an example, okay? And this is nothing against Raja. I have nothing against Raja at all. Okay, Raja's a good dude. If you go into Raja's stream, do you ask him to show you live accounts? Do you ask him to show you that when he's doing his live stream, or anyone else that live streams? Okay, I'm not getting on Raja. Raja's a good dude. I wish him nothing but success. He made a smart move when he left Canada to go to wherever he's at now. Do you ask those people the same question? That's what I don't like about it. You don't demand the same thing of others that you're demanding of me. You're like, oh, well, I've shown you two accounts. Well, what about the other ones? No, none of those other people have shown you jack shit. But you don't ask the same question, do you? You don't ask the same thing. It's Pakistan. And I like Raja, okay? Raja and I have had our beefs before, but we talk every now and again. We're acquaintances. We're not friends, but we're acquaintances. And I have nothing against him at all. But do you ask those fucking questions? No, of course you don't. You just ask it of me. Even though I've shown you 2 accounts already, you just ask it of me. Because you're a fucking moron. You don't ask it of Controller FX. You'll never ask it of him. You'll never ask it of Mamba. You'll never ask it of anyone else that streams. You'll never ask them to show you 1 year of history on a live account. You'll never ask it. Why? Because you're a pussy. Because you're a pussy. It's not even about the account size. I have more money than I know what to do with. I don't even care. No one fucking cares. Isumoko Sloth, they don't speak in the manner you carry. No one fucking cares. Then go to their stream. Go to their fucking stream. You're not welcome here. Ban his ass again. Just put him in timeout. Put him in timeout so he can feel like he has a chance to come back in here. If someone will just put Isumoko in a 5-minute timeout again so he has some hope. So we give him a little bit of hope that he can come back and make comments again. And we'll see if he still continues to have that drive and that motivation to stay 5 minutes, even though he knows he's going to get banned. So let's give him a little bit of hope. Let's just cut his knees out from under him right now. There you go. Perfect. So because we know he's just dying to make more comments. And you know that he'll put in the effort. He'll put in the time. He will not surrender. And again, knowing that he sucks at every other fucking thing in his life, the fact that he at least will stay in here to make comments after being banned is impressive. It's really, really impressive. Really impressive. He is strong-minded. Yeah. He puts on girls' panties in the morning, right? He puts on girls' panties in the morning, but he is strong-willed, man, and you got to give it to him. We should read Tenacious Sloth. That's going to be his new name. It's Tenacious Sloth. So, anyways, we're 4 for 4 on the trades so far. I'm having a hell of a good time, and we're going to keep going. Mike, we will talk about whatever you want to talk about, man. How about that? I'll be nice. You know what? Let's do the nice. Let's do the nice routine for a little bit. Mike, what is it? Mike, how can we make you feel better, Mike? What is it that you would like to talk about, Mike? Let's do the nice routine instead of the F word every 2 seconds, right? What is it, Mike? How can we help you, Mike? How can we help you be better? How can we help you, Mike? What is it that you would like to talk about? Would you like to look at a certain pair, a certain time frame, a certain day, a certain hour in the day? What is it that you would like to talk about, Mike? The floor is yours as we wait for more trades. The floor is yours, Mike. What is it that you would like to talk about? We will talk. Can you tell me a story with your fishing trout? Sure. What would you like to know about my fishing trout? Would you like to see the river? Would you like to see the river I'm going to in Alaska in 4 weeks? Would you like to see the river I'm going to? Yes, I can tell you about life. I can tell you about life. Would you like to see the river I'm going to in Alaska in 4 weeks? My favorite river in the whole world. We used to live up here. You can see this is the best river in the world for fly fishing, for steelhead. And we can just watch some of that while we wait for more trades.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah, this is the river I'll be at in 4 weeks.
Nice. Oh, there you go. Don't be jealous, Alyssa, all right? We'll kiss you when he gets home.
I'll be at this river for 2 weeks, chilling.
There we go. There we go.
I use a fly rod.
God,
like
I
have
don't even think he knows
I have like 8 fly rods.
Now he knows.
I think he just got that one off Reds.
We're probably sitting around 12.
I know
foot
exactly
there.
where that is. I know exactly where they are in the river right now.
Definitely gotten a lot better here in the afternoon. And the sun even just poked out for a quick second. So
We got 7 minutes before we can take another trade, so we're just going to watch this for a minute. But I used to live up here. I used to own the gas station. I used to own a gas station up there. So we used to live in this town. It's a town of 600 people. You can only fly into or boat into. You can't drive there.
guys, it's been an awesome day. We are on our way back to camp and probably landed in the 15 to 25.
Yes. We released Steelhead.
So it's been an awesome afternoon because the morning was pretty rough. Between a spay rod and a regular fly rod.
We released the Steelhead. The natives will kill you if you don't.
Obviously, you saw that my bobber was down.
Yeah.
I was literally just watching my bead, and I watched it stop, and I was like, oh, I think he took it.
Yeah, I was like, your bobber's down. I was like, man, your bobber's been down for a while.
Well, these ones,
oh shoot, I botched that one.
Look at that fish. Look at that monster fish. Look at that beauty.
The net up. Oh, it's stuck in the log. That's why I can't lift it up.
Nice.
Anyways, we used to live up in that little town, and that river is amazing. Putin might nuke it. Yeah. Yeah, those are nasty snakeheads. But yeah, you release the steelhead. They're native in that river, and if you don't release them, they'll kick your ass. The natives will. But I can go up there and I can fish in the ocean for king salmon, and I can keep that and halibut. So I'll be keeping some king salmon and some halibut. But those native steelhead you don't keep, or the natives up there will kick your ass. And those people up there are crazy ass motherfuckers. Kind of an interesting thing too. While we wait, we have a few more minutes. Has anybody been watching that series 1883? Right, 1883. The series 1883. Anybody watch Yellowstone and then watch 1883? Yeah, I hunt too. Has anybody been watching that show 1883? Been really popular. It's like a prequel to Yellowstone that's really popular with Kevin Costner. One of the characters in 1883 is actually from this little small town in Alaska called Yakutat, Alaska. One of them is actually one of the characters in that show, native guy, is actually from this little town. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So that's Martin right there. He's from this little town in Alaska.
You have big plans and big ambitions. ECI may
Really cool dude.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, good. Terrific. So, hey, congratulations for 1883.
Thank you. Oh man, it's great to be here. Great to see it kind of come to fruition, all the hard work and everything.
So, how did it feel to be in that period per se?
Oh man, it was awesome getting to see all the different costumes that everybody else had. Just kind of look at the authenticity and
Anyways, 1883. It's a really good show, and Martin is his sister is her husband is one of my really good friends up there in Alaska. So her husband, Martin's Sensenmeyer's sister, is my buddy's wife, and Martin's a good dude. But it's kind of cool to know that little small town in Alaska has he was also in The Magnificent Seven with Denzel Washington and Chris Pratt and all those guys. So it's pretty cool to see a guy from that little small town having success. I think it's pretty cool, at least. But no one really cares. No one really cares what I think, to be honest, probably. So I think it's cool though. All right, we have 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes in this candle, and then we'll see if we get any trades. And then I'll probably take off for the day, guys, and go get some rest before I have to go do some evaluations for some kids at the mental health clinic. Uh-oh, Mama's calling. My mom's calling. My mom's calling. I'll call her here in a bit. You're probably right, Andres, to be honest with you. I'm not going to lie to you and not blow smoke up your ass. I probably won't care. I'm just being honest. I probably won't. You're right. You're right. I probably won't. I'm just being honest, man. I'm an honest person. I'm an honest person. He's like, I know. Son of a bitch, I know. I knew it. Clay is an asshole. I knew he was an asshole. I knew it. Gold is spiking. It doesn't look like we're going to get the pattern on it here in 1 minute. I will stay for the next 1 hour candle close, the next 15-minute candle close. Then I'm going to get the hell out of here, go sit in the hot tub. And who knows what might happen in the hot tub? You never know. Have we looked how the Ukrainian girls are doing today? Remember, we are we're doing our duty as good as citizens of the world. We might have to adopt some Ukrainian people before it's too late. So we want to see how the Ukrainians are doing today. We'll see how the Ukrainians are doing today. We'll see how this is our Ukrainian girl that, remember, we've offered to adopt multiple times if she feels like she needs to be adopted. I'm perfectly willing to adopt her. I know. I mean, I think it's our patriotic duty, right? As just being good citizens of the world before it's too late, to adopt some Ukrainian people. And I am perfectly willing to adopt her if she feels like she needs to be adopted. We will treat her very nicely. Very nicely, I mean, I think we'll treat her very nicely. I'm willing to do it. It's a burden. I know it's a burden to feel like you need to adopt them, but I'm willing to take I'm willing to sacrifice for the team.
You can't be right here. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I. I'd be fucked up if you can't be right here. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I.
Oh, A-Rod, you didn't need to ban K1 Beats for that. He was saying that if I adopted her, he would date the daughter. Yeah. Tenacious Sloth. Look at that. Tenacious Sloth. Son of a bitch. You didn't need to do K1. I apologize. Yeah, we didn't need to ban K1. He was just saying that if I adopted her, he would date the offspring. I'm totally okay with what he was saying, but anyway. I don't know, man. She looks like she's got a pretty nice ass. A-Rod. She looks like she's got a pretty nice ass. I'm not going to lie to you. She looks like she has a pretty nice ass. I don't know. I mean, she looks like she's got a pretty nice ass. I love you too. I love you for infinity. I love you too. So anyways, like I said, if she needs to be adopted, I am willing to take one for the team. I am willing to take one for the team if she needs to be adopted. I mean, it's the right thing to do. Damn it, I mean, fuck. It's the right thing to do. Putin's a madman. Putin's a fucking war criminal. and he's a disgusting piece of shit, but I am willing to do it. I'm Latina too. If anything ever happened to my wife, I would go down to Brazil and I would marry a Brazilian. Okay? If anything ever happened to my wife, I would go down to Brazil and marry a Brazilian girl because I like that, that skin tone. I like that skin tone. So, I mean, I would definitely go down. If anything happened to my wife, I would go down to Brazil and I would marry a Brazilian girl. I hear you can live in Brazil for like dirt cheap too. You can actually have like a maid for really dirt cheap. So if anything ever happened to my wife, I would go down to Brazil. The Brazilian curves, I don't know, man. I mean, I may not be able to handle them, A-Rod, but again, like I said, I'm willing to try. How about that? I'm willing to give it the old college effort. I may not be able to handle them. You may be right, but I'm willing to give it an effort, if that makes sense. I'll give it an effort. Maybe I won't be able to handle it. I don't know, but maybe I'll give it an effort. You never know. But I love my wife to death. My wife is beautiful. Here's where I save face, right? My wife is beautiful. I love her to death. My wife is 5'11". She was a volleyball player and she's Native American. She's beautiful. I love my wife to death. So don't ever think that I don't love my wife to death. She knows I like to joke around. She knows. Actually, I'm gonna take a picture right now of my wife and I, and I'll post it to the stream here in a minute. I'm gonna take a picture of my wife and I. You guys will be able to see it. I don't usually do this. And I don't know why I'm doing it, because you fuckers shouldn't be seeing pictures of my wife. But I'm gonna take a picture. You guys, I shouldn't do this because you guys don't fucking deserve to see a picture of my wife. Honestly, no one should see a picture of my wife, right? But I'm gonna do it. And yeah. Because you really don't need to see a picture. That's kind of gross, right? Now, you're all going to be jerking off to pictures of my wife. Would be kind of disgusting. Jerking off to pictures of my wife would kind of be disgusting, but I mean, shit. So I'm going to get that to you guys here in a second. Let's see. Let's get this going here. All right, we're gonna do this. I hesitate to do this. I shouldn't do this because you guys are sick motherfuckers, and I shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna do it. She is Indian, yeah. All right, she is Indian. She's Native American, yeah. I'm going to show you a picture here in a second. Let me get Telegram up. He's like, I'm pretty sick. I know. That's what I'm saying. I mean, most people are sick motherfuckers, right? So I'm going to show you a picture. I'm almost done here, guys, and then you'll see a picture that I just posted. Right there. Right there. There it is. So now you guys can see a picture. Not a great picture, but it's my wife and I fishing. There it is right there. You guys are sick fuckers. So I really shouldn't be showing this to you because you guys are sick fuckers. But there it is. That's my beautiful wife. Can you guys see that yet? Is it showing yet? I know there's a lag in the stream sometimes. It's like, she's too pretty for you. She absolutely is. I agree with you. I probably had her on serious drugs. So that she would marry me. I agree with you on that. I probably drugged her. She's 5'11". She's a volleyball. You can tell that she's Native American, though. You can tell with the high cheekbones right there, right? You can tell she's Native American. But we've been married for 21 years. But that's my beautiful wife. That's my beautiful wife, and she loves to fish too, so that's awesome. We've been married for 21 years, man. It's freaking crazy. $21 man. 21 years we've been married. So there she is right there. That's my beautiful wife. So I'm a very lucky man. She knows I like to joke around, so she doesn't take it too seriously. Not all girls like to fish. You're exactly right. My wife likes to fish. But she likes to go to Hawaii, and that's where we'll be next week, is Hawaii. Well, what time is it right now? We got 6 minutes before we can take another trip. Oh my gosh, there's that Ukrainian girl. We're going to Hawaii next week. We'll be in Hawaii at this time next week, which is going to be awesome. Let's see, going to Kauai. I'm just going to kind of show you guys. Where we're going to be next week. It's going to be pretty freaking killer. I'm excited. Oh, that guy, I'm telling you, Ichimoku, I'm telling you, the guy is relentless. So this is where we'll be next week at this time. We'll be at this resort in Kauai. I'll be streaming on YouTube from this resort in Kauai next week. It's going to be pretty fun. We have a oceanfront room. It's going to be nice. Oceanfront with a balcony. Tenacious Sloth. Son of a bitch, dude. That guy, I'm telling you, he's tenacious. You gotta hand it to him. He's a tenacious motherfucker. But this is where we'll be next week at this time. Sorry. So yeah, I'll be streaming from Instagram next week. Next week I'll be streaming live on Instagram, and we'll do this on Instagram. But that's where we'll be next week for 10 days in Kauai, Hawaii. I'm freaking stoked about that. It's freezing ass cold where I'm at right now, so I'm excited to be in a place that might actually be fucking warm. Okay, if you don't have my Instagram, again, it's Ironman Futures Trading on Instagram. Again, I have a hater account against me. I love the guy to death. If you have not followed me, oh, it's half pictures. Sorry, buddy. You'll just have to think about it in another way. Ironman Futures Trading on Instagram. If you don't follow me, follow me. I do have that hater account against me. I love the guy to death. He makes me want to do bad things to Ukrainian girls. I'm kidding, of course, again, but he makes me want to do bad things to Ukrainian girls. I love him to death. Gosh, oil is just getting its ass kicked. We were in an oil buy, right? And then we got out at plus whatever. Good thing we got out and we made some profit on that, because our stops would be close to getting hit right now. But Ironman Future Trading on Instagram. If you haven't followed me there, I will be streaming from Hawaii next week. We're going to see if we get this US 30 trade here in 3 minutes on the 15-minute candle. But correct me if I'm wrong, Sir Grand Theft. I believe we were 4 for 4 in the stream today so far. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we've been 4 for 4 in the stream so far today. And if you'll just let people know overall what it's been. I think it's what the winning percentage is, 24 for 26 or something overall. But I think we were 4 for 4 in the stream today. 4 for 4, and then overall I think it's 24 for 26, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. I'm married, right? And I'm a guy. We always say that when you're married and you're a guy, you learn two important phrases. You're right and I'm sorry. Because you're always wrong. And you just say you're sorry. Because when you're a guy and you're married, you're always wrong. 24 of 26 in the live YouTube stream, guys. That's pretty amazing, to be honest with you. And let's go look at the 1 hour, because these are 1 hour closes too. Ooh, the 1 hour close on US 30 is looking peachy for a sell. The 1 hour candle close on the US 30 is looking peachy for a sell. Let's see what we get in a couple minutes. If this drops another 20 or 30 points in the next 3-4 minutes, we're going to take it. And then we're going to take off. And I'll be making fun of people in the gold chat room most of the morning. Maybe I should take it. Maybe I should get some sleep. Doesn't look like we're going to get anything. Does anybody see anything that I'm not seeing? Does anybody see anything that I'm not seeing? Oh, we do. We do. The GJ. The GJ could possibly be a sell right here. The GJ could possibly be a sell here. So in 1 minute, if this candle closes the way it is, we are absolutely taking a sell on the GJ. It has a little bit of a tail at the bottom. That's okay. I really don't care. It's good enough for me. Okay, taking a sell on the GJ. There you go. My stop loss on the GJ, I want to begin with to be above the swing highs, which is at 153. So my stop loss is going to have to be like 153.25. So it's like 110 pip stop loss, but that's okay. 153.25 is going to be the original stop loss on the GJ. Once you get up 30 to 40 points on the GJ, you better fucking put your stops at break even. Yeah, I found my normal streaming headset. So yesterday's was terrible. I agree with you. I apologize for that. Yesterday's sucked. Donkey balls. We all know that. Okay, we don't need to be reminded of that. Just kidding. But there you go, guys. There's the trade on the GJ. Follow me on Instagram, Ironman Futures Trading on Instagram. And I will probably do another stream during London tonight. And then that will be it for streams on YouTube for a couple weeks. But I will be on. So in order to follow my stream for the next couple weeks, yeah, you want the Ukrainian girl one more time? In order to see my streams for the next 2 weeks, you will have to follow me on Instagram, because I will be in Hawaii and I won't be able to stream on YouTube. So if you want to continue to follow the YouTube streams starting next Monday and Tuesday, you need to have Instagram. And then when I get back, I'll be back on YouTube. This is the picture I kind of liked it. Okay. So Ironman Futures Trading on Instagram. I will be live streaming from Hawaii next week. I'll try and do one more stream tonight during London. If I don't, then who the fuck cares? There's the Ukrainian girl. I think she's telling us she loves us. I'm not sure. I think she's basically saying, adopt me if you would, please. I'm a little bit nervous about what's going on in Ukraine right now. Adopt me if you would, please. And like I said, we got to work on that tan a little bit. We got to work on that pasty skin, but I am perfectly willing to adopt her. Well, I love my wife. Notice what I did there, and I want to make sure that everybody knows I love my wife. We just like to have fun with this, but I love my wife. I love my wife. Okay, that's all we need to know. I love my wife. She's an amazing person. She's beautiful. Anyways, that's that. Damn it. All right, you all have a wonderful day. No way she's up for adoption. I agree with you, brother. All right, you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again soon. Like I said, Ironman Trading on Instagram. Follow me there, and we'll